To fix the AT&T modem blinking orange issue, follow this step-by-step guide. The blinking orange light on your AT&T modem indicates a problem with your internet connection. The first step is to restart your modem by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. If the issue persists, check your physical connections to ensure all cables are securely plugged into the correct ports on both the modem and your computer or router. Verify that your modem is properly connected to the power source and that the outlet is working. Next, check for any outages or maintenance in your area by visiting the AT&T website or contacting their customer support. If there is an outage, wait until the issue is resolved and then check your modem. If the problem is not with the physical connections or outages, try resetting your modem to its default settings. This process varies depending on the type of modem you have, so consult your user manual or contact AT&T support for specific instructions. Another possible cause of the blinking orange light is a firmware issue. Check the AT&T website for any firmware updates for your modem and follow the instructions to install the update. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem with your internet service or the modem itself. Contact AT&T customer support for further assistance, as they can send a technician to diagnose and fix the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the AT&T modem blinking orange issue and restore your internet connection. Remember to always check the physical connections, restart your modem, and contact customer support if necessary to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently.